The perfect playlist, discovering cats' favorite music. If you're a proud feline owner, you've likely wondered about the unique tastes and preferences of your furry friend. Cats are known for their independent nature, mysterious ways, and their ability to captivate us with their charm. But have you ever pondered what kind of music cats enjoy? Do they have a penchant for classical melodies or a fondness for soothing tunes? In this video, we delve into the fascinating world of cats and their favorite music, exploring whether our feline companions have a musical ear. The mysterious feline world. Cats have long been regarded as enigmatic creatures, and their tastes in music are no exception. While we can't directly ask cats about their musical preferences, researchers and pet owners have conducted various studies and observations to unravel this feline mystery. The power of sound. Cats possess acute hearing, far superior to that of humans. They can perceive a wide range of frequencies, allowing them to detect subtle sounds and vibrations. Consequently, music can have a significant impact on their emotions and behaviors. Certain sounds can elicit responses from cats, such as piquing their curiosity, lulling them to sleep, or even stimulating their playfulness. Cats and classical music. Classical music, with its melodic and soothing compositions, has often been associated with calming effects on both humans and animals. Many cat owners report that their feline companions seem to enjoy the likes of Bach, Mozart, and Chopin. The gentle harmonies and steady rhythms of classical music can create a serene environment, potentially reducing stress levels in cats. Nature's melodies. While classical music may have its allure, cats also have an inherent connection to nature. The sounds of chirping birds, rustling leaves, or a gentle rain shower can captivate their attention. Some pet owners have discovered that playing nature soundscapes or ambient music reminiscent of the great outdoors can captivate their cat's interest and create a tranquil ambience. The role of tempo. Another factor that may influence a cat's response to music is the tempo or rhythm. Cats are known for their agility and playfulness, and certain fast-paced music might encourage these characteristics. Experimentation with genres like jazz, folk, or even upbeat pop may reveal that cats are capable of grooving to the rhythm in their own unique way. Personal preferences. Just as humans have diverse musical tastes, cats also exhibit individual preferences. While some cats may seem captivated by classical melodies, others might respond more positively to instrumental music or ambient sounds. It's crucial to observe and interact with your feline companion to determine which type of music resonates most with them. Creating a feline playlist. To provide your cat with a tailored musical experience, consider creating a playlist based on their responses. Observe their reactions to different genres and tunes, noting their behavior and body language. Keep in mind that cats have a keen sense of hearing, so it's best to play music at a moderate volume to prevent overwhelming or stressing them. While the world of cats and their favorite music may still hold many secrets, it's evident that music can evoke emotions and influence their behavior. Whether it's the harmonious melodies of classical compositions, the soothing sounds of nature, or the rhythmic beats of a playful tune, there's a musical realm waiting to be explored with your feline friend. So why not embark on this melodic journey together and unlock the potential of a perfectly curated playlist for your beloved companion?